This is Johnston and Packet Tracer Activity 7318, configuring RIP version 2. So we're going to first start on our router 1. So we'll go in here and we're going to put a default route in there. So just going to do enable, configure terminal, and then we're going to do IP route. .0.0.0.0 and then 0.0.0.0 for our IP4 static route. There we go. And we really don't need a gateway. What we're trying to do right now. And this is R1, so now we're going to do router RIP, and then we got to write in version 2, no auto summary, and then we're going to type in network 192.168.1.0, and then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to do 2.0. Then we're going to put in passive interface G0/0. And then our next commands can be called default information originate. And then we want to save it, so we could say do copy run start. Just press enter twice and you got it all saved on router 1. Now let's go ahead and go to router 2, and in the router 2 to enable configure terminal, and then we're going to type in router RIP, and this one we're going to do the same thing, version 2, no auto summary, and then it's going to be network 192.168.2.0, and it's also going to be 3.0, you just press the up key, 4.0, and we're going to put in passive interface G0/0, and we could just do copy run start. Actually, you want to type in do copy run start, and then press enter twice, and now save everything on your router 2. So we just basically configured those two. Now we're going to do router 3. Do enable, configure terminal, and then we're going to go ahead and we're basically going to type in all the same commands. So router RIP version 2, no auto summary, and then network 192.168.4.0, and we're going to also do 5.0, and then we're going to do passive interface G0/0, and you could also do copy run start, and then press enter twice. Now what we can do on each one of our routers now is we can actually show our IP route on there. Show IP route. And it shows everything that's connected on here. You can see things directly connected for each of the serial ports. Like this one has a serial port, 2 of them right there, and then it has the gigabit passive port now from our commands. And then we're going to have router 2 and router 3. So on this, we just want to do show IP route. You see how everything is connected right here. And it just automatically gave some IP addresses. And same thing for here, you can just do end, and then you can do show IP route. and it's showing you everything in here for all the routes that were created. So what I'm going to ping with is I'll go to PC1 and then we'll go ahead and ping our server down here. So we're going to ping 64.100.0.10. And the first one should fail, and then all the other ones should work just fine. There we go, because they had to create an ARP table. And we'll do the same thing with our PC2. So we go ping 64.100.0.10. See, there we go, we already had an ARP table created. And then we'll do the same thing with our last computer here, make sure everything's working right for every single one of our routers. And then we'll put 0.10, and there we go, everything works. And if you look on here, it says completion 100 out of 100, and then when you check the results, it shows everything is good there, and then also on the connection test.